What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Varsity Overland channel. So the video you're about to watch was actually filmed a little over a year ago in December of 2024. I was working with a company called Openroad four-wheel drive in order to test out their 270 awning and provide some feedback to the company. So I filmed it in 2024 and I was able to use the product for pretty close to 9 months, I believe, on a couple different trips and adventures. Didn't have any issues with the functionality of the product. I also think that the product has some really good features, especially for the price tag. And yeah, I finally decided, after about a year, I can now share, the footage and the initial review with you guys here on the channel. So if you have any questions about the product, feel free to drop a comment down below. If you have any experience with Openroad as a company as well, or this product specifically, drop a comment down below. And yeah, so hope you enjoy the video. I have finally installed this awning that I've been posting about to my members page for a couple weeks now, and it has been fun, to say the least. Of course, I picked the windiest, coldest day of the weekend to do this, hoping that my new mic does its thing, blocking all the wind with that little poofy thing it has. But anyway, this is the awning. This is the 270 awning that I got from Openroad four-wheel drive. There's a couple things that I really like about this awning. Openroad four-wheel drive reached out to me. I don't know, it might be 2 months ago at this point. So I checked out their page. I checked out some information with a few other content creators that they've sent their products to. Some content creators, one of them's Varsity Overland. If you haven't seen him, by the way, you got to go check him out. He's a really good storyteller. So I was like, all right, yeah, sure, I'll give it a shot. I had them send me the awning. Trying to figure out how I'm going to hold my camera because my hand's shaking so much, it's cold. I did want to run through some of this stuff because I think some of it's cool. Like, for example, every corner of this awning has a leg, every corner. And not all awnings are like that. Some of them only come with a leg that you can drop down from like 2 corners, and then the other ones you have to like pull the legs separately out of the bag here and then pop them in individually. But this one has all of the legs. They all, like this, they all fold down in every corner. That's kind of unique. It's not something that I've seen before. Also, the lights. The lights they were a big selling point to me, which is why I was like, yeah, I'm definitely gonna go for this. There's a lot of awnings that don't come with pre-installed lights. And the best part is they're just touch. They go amber, then they go white, then they go like a dual amber and white. You're probably not gonna be able to see that because of the camera. So it's not like a button, it's just like an easy touch. And it comes with 3 of them. And I just have them hooked into the jackery, which was at 51% when I plugged it in 20 minutes ago. And it's still at 51%. It's not drawing a lot of power. So yeah, legs in every corner. 3 amber / white LED lights. And the cord on this side, the cord is like a reflective reddish orange, which I think is cool for visibility. You don't want to trip over this thing at night. And it locks easily. So it's got a lever here. Let's see if we can hear this. Maybe that was caught by the mic, maybe it wasn't, but it's like a click, 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 click kind of a sound. So you can just yank on it, pulls into position, holds it there. It's not perfect 90 degrees here in the back, which was one of the big issues I had with 270s. But the legs, the lights, the reflective cord, I almost said paracord. The reflective cord, I was hoping that stuff was gonna make up for it. feel free to ask me some questions if you want to drop a comment down below. I'm going to test it out for a little bit. One of my favorite things about it, honestly, this is so superficial and not important at all, but one of my favorite things about it was the fact that it was black. And my other awning is like gray with this like mustard yellowy trim to it. A lot of other awnings have like, you know, bits of orange and just wild colors because the company tries to incorporate their like logo brand colors into their products from all these other awnings, and this one's just straight up black, and I thought that was nice. Matches well with black and white of the truck. It matches well with my iCamper because that's black once I put that back on top of the truck. So anywho, I am freezing. It is, holy cow, it's cold. I really hope my hand isn't shaking the camera too much. I apologize for that. But, you know, 270 awning from Openroad 4-wheel drive. You could check it out for yourself. I think the awning is honestly, it's definitely on the cheaper side as far as the cost. I want to say $500. That might be with like some sales, some holiday sales. It might be at 500. I think it could be 700. Who knows? If you know, let me know, right? Comment down below if you go to look it up. I mean, it's definitely under $1,000. I'll tell you that, you know, so it's affordable. And I thought for all this stuff at that price, why not check it out, right? So anyway, all right, Varsity team, I appreciate you. And, you know, stick around. We'll see what happens with this awning. I'm going to post those reels that I've been filming from this on Instagram and YouTube probably in the coming week. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you next time.